In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can get your TIN in Nigeria for free and very fast. So many people pay a lot of money to do this, but all you need to have is your phone, internet, your NIN and your BVN, and you will get this done within 2 minutes. And you will have your TIN sent to your email within 24 hours to 48 hours. It is that easy. It is easy, right? So when I wanted to apply for monetization, I was surprised when I heard that I needed TIN, and I was like, oh, how do I get it? But I did my research and I was able to do it within 48 hours. I got my TIN sent to my mail without paying 5 naira at all. So you don't have to pay for everything. You can do it yourself. So far you have your phone and you have your internet. So this is why I'm bringing this information to you guys, because I know there might be other small YouTubers like me who are going through that difficulty. So I'm going to be showing you on my screen how you can apply. Also, if you don't know all the documents you need to apply for monetization on YouTube, I already have a video about that where I share all the documents, everything you need to have to apply for monetization on YouTube. So you have no problem at all. I will leave the link up and also in the description box so you can watch it. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Sisi Dami. You are welcome to this channel. Please subscribe, like, and also comment. Do that right now. If you have subscribed to this channel, okay, tell me that you have subscribed already. So guys, I'll be showing you my screen now on how you are going to apply for this TIN. Within 2 minutes we are done. So guys, let's go. So guys, on your phone, go to Google and type JTB. It's going to bring this JTB TIN. You click on it, then you click on the first option, which is the tin.jtbgov.ng. So when you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. Scroll down, you are going to find the one of register for TIN individual. You click on it and it's going to bring you to this page. Please ensure the BVN details entered here correspond exactly with your BVN slip. So go ahead to fill all your details, your BVN, your date of birth, your first name, your last name. Take your time to make sure that your BVN is correctly imputed. It is very important. Tick the box of I'm not a robot and it's going to load. Then it's going to bring the next tab. You click on it and it's going to bring you to this page. On this page, you can see you have your BVN already. Then it's requesting for your middle name. You add it, your title. If you are a Mrs., a Miss, just look for your title. You are a Mr., put it here. This is where it's going to ask for your NIN number. So make sure you also input that correctly. Put your NIN number, and earlier on I mentioned that your NIN details must be the same with your BVN. If it is not the same, this is where it's going to reject it. You are also going to be uploading your passport photograph. So before you start this application, make sure you have a soft copy of your passport photograph on your phone already. So you are going to click on this choose file, you choose your passport photograph, then you upload it on this application. Scroll down, just check your details again and again and make sure that your NIN and your BVN is correct. You're going to select your gender, you're going to select your state of origin, and also you are going to put your place of birth wherever you are born, Lagos, Ogun State, wherever. You are going to put your marital status. Your email address is very important. Make sure your email address is correct, because this is where Joint Tax Board is going to be sending your TIN certificate to. You're also going to select your state of residence. You're going to put your house address, your city, your house number, and all that. Just go through it and fill the form. It is very easy to fill. Select your occupation, fill your phone number. If you have 2 phone numbers, you can put it there. The one is optional. So just go through everything that you have filled, read it again, make sure it is correct before you finally click the submit button. It's going to load and bring you here. TIN request submitted successfully. Immediately your request has been submitted, you are going to get a mail from JTB confirming that your individual TIN creation request has been submitted. So wait for 24 hours to 48 hours
and you are going to get this mail sent to your mail. Congratulations, your application for taxpayer identification number was successful and approved. Just scroll down and you are going to see your certificate down there, and click on it to download it, and that is how you are going to get your TIN certificate. I hope this is helpful. This is my own. It's very easy to do. So I hope this video is helpful.
So beautiful people, I hope this video is helpful and you are able to get your tin without paying a dime. So if you get it done, please come back and tell me in the comment section. And also, if you have any video requests, please drop it in the comment section and I'm going to do a video about that. I need to mention that you also need TIN for your CAC. When you want to register your business in Nigeria, you need your TIN. You can also use the TIN certificate for that, aside from using it to monetize your YouTube. So guys, that is all about this video. I will see you in my next one. Till then, bye.